Priceline Beauty Box. Oh yes, oh yes. That's right. I have a Priceline Beauty Box. As you can see, when you have an account with Priceline, you get the Sister Club member exclusive. And joining this group is free. And reason being why I got this box, because I bought a few extra things I've been wanting for a really long time. You've probably seen me use this before, but this is the big version. This is something else I've been wanting as well. I got this one that said light because it probably will blend pretty decently into my eyebrows, I'm hoping. Because I didn't want to get the darkest one. That's all they had besides that. And I got some lips from all this. So yes, this Quick Flick brand that I really love, their setting spray and that stuff. And because it really helps with like the sunscreen, and I really like the way the products work. I was able to get this. I had to spend like 45 Australian dollars. I got this one. This was like 100 and so as a deal when you get the right products that are in the deal, which these were, and cheaper than they usually are, because some of this was like 20 instead of 40. I got the receipt right here. Total savings of $35. So, yep, let me just see what I was able to get. Does it say the price of the box itself, what it's worth? Yes, it was 24 instead of like 40 for the spray. And then the brow tint was 15 instead of I think 20 usually. So, and I've been wanting to try this one. If this is good, and even maybe this color, or I can try a different color at some point down the line, but I know I didn't need to get some more lips. I got lipstick, high heavens, but I have not tried Quick Flix's lip stuff, and I really wanted to try it. But yeah, this is the stuff I got that made me be able to get the box. Because you had to spend like 45 Australian dollars. And it was able to get this box. And it has, these are the brands that are in here. I'm not really a huge fan of e.l.f. or at least what I've heard about it, but that's beside the point. But what intrigued me is there's a couple brands in here I really like. Actually, 3. My top 2 favorite Australian brands. As of all the Australian brands I've tried so far, I like this one and I like the Kind Collective. I like the Kind Collective because it's more rounded. They have nail polish. And there's Berry M, which is a UK brand, which I love, love, love. So that means you probably can guess, if you know Berry M, they're known for polishes. So they are going to have polishes, even though they have other makeups as well. So let's open this bad boy up of it all. Got my scissors here. I want to show you what's in here, because and you know me, I love my nail polish. I do my nails all the time, so of course I want to get it. I think, do I have to open from the side here? It looks like I might have to. Oh, my nail polish took a little bit on the thumb, but at least that one's okay. So here we go. As you can see, this is everything. Let's see what I got. What is this? Skincare checklist. Green tea daily toner. Okay, I got a daily toner. Let's open it and see what it looks like. I'm opening this one first because this is something I don't know what it is. This is the Q&A green tea daily toner. What's a toner? Calming, soothing, and packed full of oxidants for gentle cleansing and hydrating. Okay, cool. Something I probably wouldn't have actually bought if I didn't get this container. So, there we go with that. It has very good ingredients. Warning, avoid contact with eyes for external use only. Yeah, of course. So it's for rejuvenating, calming, soothing, hydrating, oily, stressed, dry, sensitive, normal, and so it says it does all the things. I don't know. I've never heard of this fully, so. Okay, cool. I guess I got a lip because I didn't fully look at what they were giving me. I just saw the brands and saw slightly that there's nail polish in it. So I guess I didn't really need to buy this other one. Good thing it's one I didn't buy. So now I have 3 Quick Flick branded these. So the thing that I got that is I don't know if this is to do with Florida. What is it? Raspberry peach lip oil. Okay. I'm going to open this up and try it. It's hard to get out. Smells really nice. Oh no. Ooh. No color in that. Well, me and my raspberry. Oh. I'm going to be having a hard cider probably later that's raspberry. So that is fitting. That is this. Really, really, really like that. It feels rejuvenating to eye oven. So I got lots of lip. What's this? Glow Blush. So there's that. Beauty Bond Blush. Okay. So this is what the end looks like. Let's open that and see this. So, yep, these are the things I got. And then, of course, I showed you the things that are... Oh, there's 2 e.l.f. things in here. Okay. There's someone I stumbled upon on Instagram that does makeup videos, right? And he was saying that he really likes this primer. Not sure, don't really need Power Grip Primer. I don't really need a primer, but okay. So let's, can I open this? There we go. Whoa. The only thing is I have no foundation on right now. That is crazy. I hope I'm not putting too much. Whoops, I forgot that sometimes these can go a long way. It's creamy. Doesn't smell like much. Don't know if you can see that. Oops. But it's kind of made my cheeks a little more wah. I know I put this directly on my skin, not with any foundation or anything on yet. So that's that. And then here's the nail polish I got. Don't think I have this color in Barium, so that's probably nice. Very nice color. Any nail polish I can pretty much use. So there is that. So besides the stuff I got separately, I should have remembered that there was a lip in there. I didn't really look. Liquid blush. Okay, now we have another tube. This is blush, and then there's this blush. Okay. This is from number 7, Pro Artistic. Let's see what this one is. Hopefully it's a different color than what I have. Don't mind me. I will be washing this off because it's fully directly on my skin. It should be barrier with my other stuff, but this one's oily. Now I look like my cheeks are flushed. That's nice. That is pretty nice. It's oily, but it doesn't, that's nice. I like how that goes into my skin. Another blush. This is very blush forward beauty box. Because even this Kind Collective one is blush as well. I have a blush from them already, but not a blush like this. So that's nice. Very nice. So let's try that one. I know I might be using too much, but these colors seem to not be too pigmented fully. I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, but it feels so nice. Jeez! I think I'm starting to look like a strawberry. This one is very pigmented, but something looks wrong with my face. Jeez! Yeah, there's 3 blushes together. I don't know if it's because I put 3 blushes on top, but well, I think, I can't remember the one I have, but yeah, there's that blush, the Kind Collective brush, and look what it's done. I am like a clown. I have clown cheeks now. Jesus. I didn't use this, but I think I'll like leave it a little bit to use this because I haven't. It's just a small one. So. That is what I got. This is a primer. Huh. Kind of nice. I'm just putting a little bit right there. I'm not putting on full on face of at the moment, but jeez, I look like a freaking clown. Huh, another elf. So 2 elves, okay? Maybe I should try now I will save the quick flick for another time. All the quick flick stuff will be saved. But these are some lips. So look forward for me to try these because I even got 2 others. It just shows that I don't need lips up for a good while. Oh, I definitely don't need blush. But let's try this one. I don't know if I've really used elf stuff before. It's like a rosy color. Oops. It's this color. Let me wipe this off. Because I don't think I want to have that underneath it. Nice container. It says, I think it's matte. Satin. That is creamy. And really pigmented. The exact color of this is going on my lips. It's my crazed slight makeup. Oh, wow. This feels bougie. Look at that. It's magnet. Oh, this elf lipstick, satin lipstick is bougie. And it feels for being like a matte, like satin. Well, I don't think it's matte, that's why. Satiny, it feels rejuvenating. I might look like a clown or like a doll with really, really, you know, like dolls have like those lips, those cheeks, I mean. Ooh. And this, the little bit I put on, oh, wow. That feels pretty nice. Nice. This I'm going to have to try over time a little bit, and I'll let you know. But this one I'm going to be probably using later to take my makeup off, so. But me oh my, this one is pigmented. So 3 blushes. And that. But this is great. With all the things that I got. Well, I'm glad this is one that they have in it anyway because I'm glad I got some because this is a clear gloss one. And I wanted one. The reason why I was really intrigued by getting these, and this is some of the things that helped me get this box, was these. Because if you see on the box there, they tinge color. That's what I wanted. I like that it's that color. It's like this is like a nice pink gloss, and this one's like a nice red dark gloss. So these really intrigue me, and if I like these, I'm gonna go insane because so far everything I've tried from this brand I love. So, but everything in this beauty box is pretty amazing quality. So I already know how this is. So I'm definitely gonna be painting my nails blue. Oh yes. Definitely gotta get a look with all this stuff. It just doesn't come with foundation or anything. But I don't need to buy blush for a good while. Especially when I have other blushes that I have as well. So all in all, what a nice little box. You didn't have to spend tons and tons, only like $49, $45, around that price to get this. So if you want to make sure you get the box but don't want to spend too much, that's all you got to spend. And then you get the box for free on top. So you're not spending on the box, like getting the box for cheaper because of it. And it's all quality products. It's not like that mystery one I got that I did a video on that was products I've never heard of, the brand I've never heard of. Really cheap brand. So cheap it was a little like some of the packaging just broke on me. So don't recommend that one, which, you know, that video I did of a beauty box. That one was more mystery. I didn't know what I was getting. This tells you exactly what you're getting in it. But doesn't mean it's a bad thing. I just didn't look and know it was this. It was like 3 blushes. But this is awesome. Just awesome. This feels pretty nice. I probably won't get this again because there's no point. I just happen to have it. So we'll see how this is. But I probably wouldn't get this one potentially. I don't know. These are nice though. These might be the most bougiest lip glosses I've ever bought, potentially, these quick flick ones. Because I have 2 others. So I just hope that this light color, when I actually do my makeup for the weekend for going out, I just hope that this is the good enough color to kind of go with my dark eyebrows and mix in, because the only other one they had was dark, and that was I've already been having a dark one and I don't want to keep going too dark, so I went light. And we'll see how the quality of this is, because the other one I've been using is a little bit ouchy occasionally that I've been doing to replace my LA one. So from the Hamptons or whatever the area is. Hamptons is New York. I don't know. I'll stop rambling, but what a box of quality. Definitely crazy. And I think most of the Kind Collective blush is pigmented to high heavens, and that's why I look like a doll. When I use my other ones, I don't get as much of a doll look as I do with these Kind Collective. So I should have remembered that, but I didn't. So that's okay. This one's called Lip and Cheek. Oh, it's for lips. So that's why it's that consistency. Okay, cool. So here in the bathroom, I'm gonna take the cheeks off because I don't want to leave this purely on my skin, and it actually makes me look sick. I use way too much. That Kind Collective one went crazy. I don't know if it's because I used 3 blushes together. I let him. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this thing. I don't think I need to do anything but get my thing. It's for taking off makeup. I do have another one that. Nice. Smells nice. Nothing wrong with having 2, I guess. I'm just going to make sure I use them. So yes, that Kind Collective blush goes a long way. Oh, I love that color of that e.l.f. lipstick. Really do. See, I'm just rejuvenating my face as well, so I'm going all the way around a little bit, just in case, just to give it a little. I was feeling a little ouchy right here, like stingy, like, I don't know, it's just like giving me a slight headache feeling. I don't know if that's just gonna, maybe I have a headache feeling, I don't know. All I know though is I was just feeling a little, so I want to take it off just in case. So I don't want to have a slight skin irritation like I do around my cheeks for it being directly on my skin. So there we go. Face is all nice and cleanified and everything. So this seems good. Has a nice clean smell, which is very neutral, clean smell. Feels nice. Feels nice on my skin. So yeah, this is something I'll definitely be using alongside my other cleaner. So I have plenty of cleaner. I don't need any more of that. So I'm good. At least I got this blush off my face, so I don't leave it there on my skin, but I will definitely be using them. So there we go, nice and cleaned off. Ready to apply makeup.